You looking half dead, fool. Yeah.
You picked
Watch
the wrong
it,
house, motherfucker! Die, little fool!
Sneaky bitch. I'm killing you with my bare hands.
Nobody jacks the smoke. I'm a friend of the police force. Wanna go to prison?
Do I look like a criminal, sir? Please, sir, I'll be a good little thug. Ah!
What the fu- Oh, shit!
You driving a piece of shit.
What?
Damn! That boy's gonna be shitting his kidneys for a week. All kinds of crazy cats out there want a piece of me. I gotta get me out of this crazy town.
All right, Smoke, let's go.
You're a great man, Carl. A great man.
Yeah, whatever, man. You talking shit. What you into, Smoke?
The book, baby. People have to open their eyes and their hearts, CJ. You know what I'm saying? Don't take this personal.
What that mean?
Nothing.
Man, this is childish. That's all I'm saying, man.
Look at me.
Enough, man.
Look at me.
Shut up!
Carl, I'm hungry.
Man, shit. Hey, what's
Man
going
cannot
on?
live on bread alone. I know. I tried that shit. Here we go.
Where everybody at?
Hey, motherfuckers, I'm hungry.
Smoke, let's go.
Hey, I'm just finishing my fries.
What can I do about that now?
Get in touch with your spiritual side or some shit like that.
Well, okay.
Do you need spiritual guidance?
For sure.
The Epsilon program is a great way to live.
For real?
You should join our fellowship. Epsilonism is the only hope.
Shut up. Listen to yourself.
Epsilon Tract has saved my life. Did you ever consider the fourth paradigm? Have you lain with enough partners for salvation?
Man, exactly what you trying to say, man.
Join our fellowship.
Forget it.
Your loss. Should have read the Epsilon Tract.
Oh, shit! Oh, you want this to get nasty?
Epsilonism doesn't allow this.
Come on in, but don't get fresh. Come on, motherfucker. You motherfuckers! You want some more of this, motherfucker? You complete fucking moron. You whore, huh? You fucking with Carl Johnson. Come on. Who you think you fucking with? You wanna fuck with me, huh? Welcome to San Andreas. Shouldn't fuck with GSF, fool. It's on now, little bitch. You dig? That looked like the last of them.
Same things make us laugh, make us cry. You're a leader, a visionary. Remember me when you get to the top. Come on, let's bounce. Oh, man. That fool filled a hole.
Where to next, Smoke?
I don't give a shit.
Finally.
Hey, fool, I got it pissed.
Oh, shit. Quick!
I got you, baby.
Man. This weather's starting to freak me out, giving me the heebie-jeebies, man. I can't believe I let that maniac talk me into this.
Damn! What the fuck? Hey! I'll eat you when I'm done. Come on, then.
I can't see Jack. Hey, Smoke. Need a hand? Smoke! Oh, man!
I'm trying to enjoy my food. Man, that's some good shit.
You sick. Get help!
And that's why you love me, baby. Come on, wise man, get in the car.
Okay, boss man, where to?
I need to get back to the crib.
What? You out your mind. Why? Los Santos is dangerous right now.
Man, you gotta lose some of that anxiety, player.
Whatever, man.
Is that a socket wrench? Nothing like robbing.
Hey, asshole. Won't you fuck off, punk?
I'm gonna cut you like I do meth.
Aw, tough guy, huh? I know you ain't got no dick. You know what? You got a pussy, motherfucker.
Ice cold.
I'll grant that death wish. Gonna do you Altamont style.
Not today, asshole.
You just...
Fill them fools up with hoes, baby.
Hell yeah, for sure. I ain't no square.
I'll split you like a twin chopper.
Come on and get me, asshole.
You're about to learn to nipple serve. Ah! Ah! You asking for it, Haas?
Oh, good lord.
Hey!
You enjoying this?
I'm gonna shine my
Man,
chrome
people
with
have
your
no
ass.
dignity no more. I'm sorry. Hey, yo, just drop in. Watch the damn train game.
Nah, I ain't into that shit, homie.
CJ, please.
Ah, okay. Better be good. Call up the homies and get us a little crew.
That's my dog.
Hey, homie, what's up?
What's happening, homeboy?
Can you believe that train?
Damn, man, these idiots just don't give up. It's awful fast.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, shit.
Holy shit!
Smoke, did you see that? Shit.
Ha ha, that's fucked up. Look at that. He lost control.
Damn!
Dead.
Shit happens.
The contestant has fallen, but the show must go on. Who will take his place?
Hold on, though, I got an idea.
A what?
Lot of shit about to go down, Carl. Much love, baby.
What's that motherfucker doing?
Train, what's up?
Oh, no.
Time to return the favor, baby.
Hey everyone, we got someone who will take his place. What is your name, sir?
Big Smoke, remember the name.
You heard him, ladies and gentlemen. Big Smoke is about to step up and show how it's done.
For the Grove, baby. Go, 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 go.
That motherfucker just 180 the damn train. Impressive.
We really in the middle of this shit tonight.
Best of luck, Smoke. Smoke is picking up speed at a rather quick pace. Impressive speed.
I made it, CJ. I'm a success. I can't be touched. Oh, shit. The brakes is out. Hey, I gotta get out of here. Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Just chill. 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 Help me!
It seems like Smoke is in danger.
Somebody save the Smoke! Oh!
Hot damn! Oh, motherfucker!
And it happened.
Oh, fuck! Crashed my train! Motherfuckers! Ha 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 ha!
That's crazy. Big round of applause for the Big Smoke motherfuckers. Phenomenal work, Big Smoke. Anything you want to say to the viewers?
Well, you should pay attention to what I'm gonna say. If you read the book, that's the way of the world, baby.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen. Read the book. Thank you, Smoke. It was an honor and a pleasure. See you around. Coming up next, we got Monday Night Raw, and after that, Wild Boys with Steve-O.
Yeah, dude.
See you soon, like a spoon.
Nigga, you crazy.
This ain't no Sunday cruise, CJ. That's one up for the Grove.
For sure.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do? What about some tacos?
Nah, I'm tired. I'll see you later.
Once a buster, you always a buster.